Hello, 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 and welcome to today's teaching on Canva. And I want to ask you a question. Are you familiar with any African American board game inventors? And yes, you are, because I am the inventor of the Church Grower board game. Okay, I'll show you a picture of it right here. All right. And so what I want to show you on today, using Canva, how to create a magazine if you have a product or service in honor of Black History Month. And so since I made history 3 years ago, I'm going to show you guys how to I create a presentation, a magazine presentation, and you can do that as well so that you can have all of your content in a magazine and be able to send those magazines out, to your existing clients, or even, take them to local places so that they can see your product or service and actually go ahead on invest in it. All right. So what we want to do here in this Canva tutorial is type in the word magazine. Okay. And you can type in the word magazine. All right. Of course, you see I started on my magazine here, but we'll go ahead on and scroll down. And here are some of the templates. Okay. Here's one that okay, these are pro. Now I'm not sure if you have a basic account or a pro account, but anytime you see the word pro, that means if you are a pro member, then you can use that particular set of templates. Okay. And so I'm scrolling down. Now, this one here, I do not see the pro symbol. So this one here could be used. All right. And so let me go ahead on and click on it. Let me click on here. I'll click on here. This is a free one. So if you have a free account, you can use this template to create a magazine. Okay, and hopefully my computer isn't running too slow on today. This is what this magazine will look like. That's what you see here. Canva always give you an idea of what something will look like. And so you can look through here and you see the different images here. See, once you open it up, then you'll see what it looked like in somebody's hand. That would be so cool, right? To have your magazine in the hands of your clients and your customers. Okay. And so definitely we want to click on here and then it shows you it's only $21. Okay. Once you create your magazine, it's only $21 for you to print it using Canva. Now, since I go to Office Mac, I know that this is a good price. Okay. And so let me click on here. That way you don't have to go anywhere. Once you create your product, you can go ahead on and click to have it printed and it will be sent to your home. You can't beat that. That is so cool. And you're using the free version. You're using the free version of this particular tool. I'm turning my phone off. Sorry for the interruption. Okay. So it's coming up. It's coming up. All right. So here, what I would do here, I would type, let's see. Let's click in here. Come on. I think I really like this. I like this font. Okay. And so I will type in here, church. What should I put my name? Come on. My computer is slow at the moment for some reason. While I'm doing, okay, I'll just type church. Come on. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. Rower. Okay. And then you know how you can just pull on the handles, of course, this, and then of course you can move it around. I'm not sure what this here. Let's see here. So I'll right here, I would put this is February, February 2025. And over here, I would put Black History Edition. Black History Edition. Okay. And I want to stretch that out. And then you can click on those little handles right here and just move it over. Okay. I'll move it over. Same thing with this. I want to move this over so that it is centered. All right. And then as far as the colors, of course, you can change these colors. I want to put a picture here. Okay, so let me go to my upload. So what you can do, you can click on uploads. All right. Click on uploads. And then you get to see all of your really cool pictures, okay? And so these are my pictures I shared with you guys that I was having a Bible trivia with a twist board event featuring my church girl board game. And my birthday was Valentine's Day. And of course, I had my event the next day on that Saturday. And so here are just some of the pictures here. As far as what I want to put on here. Let's see, what picture do I want? I'm going to put that picture. No, no. I can delete that or I can do a undo. Either way works, okay? I don't want that. I don't want that. This is the picture I want right here. All right. So now this is like a whole picture here instead of like mine. You see how mine is just an individual. So I can take this out. I can delete this. Okay. Delete the image. All right. And now it only has, excuse me. Go up here. You got to make sure you're doing the right thing. Okay. Undo that there. Okay. So I'm going to undo this. I don't want this here. Okay. Trying to see where's the delete. Where is the delete? Come on, give me a delete button. Okay. Comment. I don't want to lock this. So basically, this here, I want to replace that. Let me go to background, designs, background. And so let me click on here. Templates. Okay. All right. So what background? This looks, could this work? So that's what that would look like. And as a background, what do you guys think about that as a background? Well, some kind of way I got to be careful. So when I move that, okay, let's hold up. All right. It's still trying to replace this whole thing here. It's trying to replace that. I don't want that. Let me go here. I don't like that. This here particular thing here. I'm gonna find something. Maybe this one. Okay. Okay. I think I'll work with that one. With that picture. Okay. Now, let's see. Black history, blah, blah, blah. Right here, this color. And then I'll put my name, Terry B. Jones. And let's see what we want to do with this. Transparency is full. This color is not working for me. Let's see what color. What color will we change that to? A nice, let me see. So of course, you know how I told you guys, you can do a change all. It will change all of the colors that are white to this here color. Let me click on here. And it's not a good color. Let's see. That's not bad. So what I need to do, as far as these coloring schemes are concerned here, I don't like it. Let me see. Maybe I'll put some kind of element behind it. Let's do a shape. Let's add a shape. Okay, do that. And then just pull this down like that. Okay, and then I'll pull it in. Whoa, pull this in like that. Of course, I don't want that to be the color, and I want to move it a little bit. I want to move that down, and then I want to move this down, of course, and then I want to move this down. Okay. And so, oh yeah, let me change this color. I don't want that color. I want a nice blue. No, that is too dark of a blue. Okay, that's not bad. Um, and then if you don't see a color that you like, you can always click on this plus sign right here to add a new color. I think I'm just gonna leave this color here like that. And then of course, I'll do the same thing for this. I'll put this here as a background. Move this, oh, come on. Move this down, and then I'll spread that out to cover the words that you can't see. So that's how you take care of that. If you have some issue like this here, a situation, okay. And then of course, you know, you put whatever words you want on here. I just change these words just to kind of let you see, okay. And so this will be the front. And so you can see over here, this is what this looks like, okay. You can see what that looks like over here. Of course, you can make some changes to this or however you want to use. That's what this particular template here, okay? And so once you finish each of the slides, you definitely can go and, you know, print it off, okay? You'll print it off. And yeah, and so then you can share that magazine, you know, with those who you want to send it to. And like I said, I just want you guys to kind of see what you can do. And yes, yes, Black History has taken place with Terry B. Jones, with the creator of the Church World board game. And if you guys are interested in getting a board game, I'll leave a link in the this comment section, or if you're locally, you right here in Jacksonville, Florida, and you want to host a Bible trivia board game, I don't even charge to host the game. I will come in, host the game for you because I want to get more exposure of this game, and so that those who don't have a clue, you know, about this this game basically was invented in February of 2022. Okay. And so definitely, if you guys want to have a Bible trivia with a twist game event right here in Jacksonville, Florida, or local area, because I've gone to Daytona and some of the other places that's not too far from here, definitely comment below that you would like me to host a Bible trivia game event at your church, at your youth group, or your women's group, whatever type of your family event, whatever you want to do. I can definitely come out and host a Bible trivia game with a twist game event. Now, you don't have to have a host. Basically, the reason why I host the games locally so that those who aren't familiar with the game will definitely be able to kind of share them how to play the game. We'll play the game and so that they'll know. Of course, it comes with instructions, okay? But a lot of time people they just want to open it up, crack it open, and get to playing. And so you can do that also if you buy the game itself. But this is a way for you to get the game and play the game before you even invest in the game. Okay. And so, yes, this is definitely history being made by me. And so I thank those who actually have already purchased the game, those who have already had me to come and host a Bible Trivia with a Twist game event. I really appreciate all of you. Okay. And so if you have any questions about making a magazine using Canva, you can reach out to me as well. Okay. I'll put a link in there for us to have a power half an hour and just chit chat about your product or service and how you can make different promo items using Canva. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. All right.